So guys, we order buttermilk chicken. They have give a rice, chicken, and buttermilk sauce. Hi honey fuse. Today is a very interesting video. Today is Saturday night, which is a weekend. So today night we are going out. So you can see my previous video is about India tour, where I go in India. So now many upcoming Brunei videos are coming soon. So today night we are going out. So I'm going to share you guys about my travel experience, which is Brunei. I'm going to share you guys. So let's go into the video. So, so guys, we are in Bandar Seri Begawan, capital of Brunei Darussalam. So we are at a Digital World, like electrical products like a phone, laptop. So we are going to enter the shop. So let's go. iPhone 13, which is 1937. There's iPhone 14, the new model. iPhone 14 is $1,295. iPhone 14 Pro is $1,733, and iPhone Pro Max, which is 1,907. So guys, you can see a laptop. Zeus brand is 1988. There are many type of laptops you can see, and there are electronic products like TV, washing machine. Yeah. So guys, you can see a MacBook AM2. So it costs 1,599. This one 1,288. MacBook AM113.
இதுங்களுக்கு தெரிய மாட்டேன் கலந்து கட்டைகள்லாம் தெரிய மாட்டேன்.
So guys, we order buttermilk chicken. They have to give a rice, chicken, and buttermilk sauce. So guys, they have given rice, chicken, and buttermilk sauce. We're going to try it. The sauce is very spicy, but the chicken is very crispy. But okay lah, we can eat. Yeah, amazing taste. So guys, we have eat at Berrywan Restaurant, Hotpot Restaurant. So the buttermilk chicken was very amazing, but too spicy lah. Yeah, because in the buttermilk sauce they have add chili, green chili. So that's what very spicy. But the all food is good, so tastes amazing. Yeah, the price is also affordable, like $5 Yeah, just $5. So the location is at Bandar, near the what Digital World that we have seen phone, yeah, electronic product. So that nearby the restaurant. So you can guys eat many type of food, yeah, like kway teow, mee, kolo mee, buttermilk chicken, nasi lemak. So this is the video. So go like, share, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.